Ever dreamt of wielding the power of a Jedi? Snapping your fingers like Thanos or suiting up like Iron Man? What if I told you that you could get your hands on these insane superhero gadgets right now on Amazon? Forget flimsy plastic toys. We're talking about high-tech replicas that will blow your mind and make you feel like you've stepped right out of a movie. We've scoured the web to find the 10 most jaw-dropping superhero gadgets you can actually buy. Stick around, because the #1 spot is something you won't believe exists. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. Number 10. The Force Band. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the Force Band by Sphero. This isn't just a wristband, it's your entry into becoming a Jedi Master. With a simple wave of your hand, you can control a BB-8 droid, engage in lightsaber training, and even uncover digital holocrons. It uses gesture control technology to make you feel the Force flowing through you. Imagine the look on your friends' faces when you push, pull, and command your droid without ever touching a remote. It's the closest you'll get to having real Jedi powers, making it a must-have for any Star Wars fan who's ever tried to use the Force on an automatic door. Number 9. Droid Bot. At number 9, we have the Droid Inventor Kit. Why just own a droid when you can build and program one yourself? This kit from Little Bits lets you create your very own R2-D2 from scratch, complete with its iconic sounds and movements. Once built, you can use the free app to send it on secret missions, teach it new tricks, and even have it deliver secret messages. It's an incredibly fun way to learn the basics of coding and electronics, all while creating your loyal astromech companion. This isn't just a toy, it's your first step into a larger world of galactic engineering. Get ready to have your own R2 unit rolling by your side. Number 8. Captain America's Shield. Coming in at number 8 is the only Captain America's Shield. This isn't some cheap plastic frisbee, this is a full-scale, 1-to-1 replica from the Marvel Legends series. Made with incredible detail and a premium finish, this 24-inch shield feels like it was ripped straight from the hands of Steve Rogers. The adjustable straps let you wield it just like Cap, and its detailed design makes it the perfect centerpiece for any collection. While it's not made of actual vibranium, sorry, you can't block bullets with it, it's the most authentic and impressive replica you can find. It's time to assemble your collection with this iconic piece of heroism. Number 7. Pokémon Plus Pokeball. At number 7, for all you aspiring Pokemon masters, we have the Pokemon Go Plus Pokeball. This gadget takes your Pokemon hunting to the next level. It connects to your phone and automatically spins Pokestops and catches Pokemon for you, so you never miss out, even when you're not actively playing. But the coolest part? It doubles as a sleep tracker. Just place it by your pillow and Pikachu will sing you lullabies and wake you up with cheerful phrases. It's your all-in-one companion for catching them all day and night. This is the ultimate tool for anyone serious about becoming the very best, like no one ever was. Number 6. Iron Man MK50 Robot. Cracking our number 6 spot is the Iron Man MK50 Robot from UB Tech. This is not just a figure, it's an interactive, programmable robot that brings Tony Stark's genius to life. You can control its movements, lights, and sounds directly from your phone. But here's the insane part. You can upload your own face onto the helmet's display via the companion app, effectively putting yourself inside the suit. It features augmented reality missions where you can battle drones from the comfort of your living room. It's a ridiculously advanced piece of tech that makes you feel like you're truly piloting an Iron Man suit. Number 5. Black Panther Headgear. At number 5, we honor the King of Wakanda with the Marvel Legends Black Panther electronic helmet. This is a full-scale, premium replica that's as detailed as it is functional. When you press the side button, the lenses flip up and down just like in the movie, and it emits a vibrant, pulsating light effect that mimics the suit's vibranium energy. The intricate design and movie-accurate details are breathtaking. Wearing this doesn't just make you look like Black Panther, it makes you feel like him. It's a powerful tribute and a stunning collector's item that screams, Wakanda Forever. This is a must-have for any true Marvel fan. Number 4. Deadpool Headset Holder. Breaking the fourth wall at number 4 is the Deadpool Headset Holder. Okay, so it won't give you a healing factor, but it will give your gaming setup some serious attitude. This detailed bust of the Merc with a mouth is designed to hold your gaming headset, keeping your desk organized with maximum effort. It's snarky, it's practical, and it's pure Deadpool. Imagine finishing a gaming session and resting your headset on Wade Wilson's head. It's the perfect blend of humor and function, making it an awesome gift for any gamer or Marvel fan who appreciates a bit of chaos. It's a guaranteed conversation starter for your command center. Number 3. Iron Man's Helmet. Taking the bronze medal at number 3 is another piece of Stark tech, the Marvel Legends Iron Man electronic helmet. What makes this different from the robot? You can actually wear it. This helmet features a magnetized faceplate that can be detached and reconnected to the top. When you do, the eyes light up with a brilliant LED glow, and you'll hear dramatic sound effects straight from the MCU. The interior is incredibly detailed, making you feel like you've just stepped into Tony's workshop. It's a high-quality, wearable piece of art that's perfect for cosplay or just displaying your love for Iron Man. Friday not included. Number 2. The Time Turner. Our runner-up at number 2 is a gadget for all the witches and wizards out there, Hermione's Time Turner. This stunning replica from the Noble Collection is plated in 24 karat gold and features a working miniature hourglass filled with white sand. The inner rings rotate, just like in The Prisoner of Azkaban. While it won't actually let you travel back in time to fix your mistakes or attend extra classes, we tried, it's an exquisitely crafted piece of jewelry that comes in a beautiful collector's display case. It's a magical, elegant piece that lets you hold a bit of the wizarding world's most powerful magic in your hands. Number 1. The Thanos Gauntlet. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. The number 1 most insane superhero gadget you can buy on Amazon is the Infinity Gauntlet from Marvel Legends. This thing is an absolute beast. It's a full-sized wearable gauntlet with fully articulated fingers that you can move individually. The 6 Infinity Stones pulse with a glowing light, and it features movie-accurate sound effects that activate when you clench your fist or press the Mind Stone. But the best part? It has a fist-lock display mode so you can showcase it in all its universe-ending glory. It is without a doubt inevitable that this is the coolest, most powerful feeling gadget on our list. So guys, and that's our list of the 10 most insane superhero gadgets on Amazon. All the links to buy these awesome items are in the description below. Which one are you adding to your cart? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more epic content like this, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.